guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna have a hotel review of Novotel Sydney Darling Square. It has the most convenient location in Sydney. On the left side, that is the famous Chinatown. Within walking distance, you can just walk to the Chinatown. Then opposite to the hotel, there's a McDonald's just right over there. Here is a Body Heaven massage store, a Starbucks just right over there. If you don't like Starbucks, there are many cafes in Darling Square over there. Hey, just a heads up before we check in the coming weeks, I'm gonna have a hotel reviews Four Seasons Sydney, Park Hyatt Melbourne, Hilton Noumea, Doubletree Noumea, and Intercontinental Sydney and Kimpton Sydney. If you are interested in any of those hotels, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Now let's get started. Hey guys, now I'm going to check in now. We are checking now, but unfortunately there's only one stop there, so we have to wait. We've already checked in, and those are our complimentary water, 2 bottles of water. Room number is 513. Let's go. 513. Little light up there. Hello. So just to let you know that for this room we don't have to insert this card. So this card is already there. It's for the power. And here is the evacuation diagram. Our room has been upgraded from the basic room to the executive room with the Chinese garden view. So this is our room here. Those are all electronic panel. So this is do not disturb panel. Makeup room. One is for the aircon. We've got some drawers. This is a Nescafe capsules and coffee machine, then a kettle. Those are empty. The second drawer we got some wine glasses and 2 coffee mugs, 2 spoons, instant coffee, sugar, some tea bags as well. The minibar is empty. However, I was informed by the staff when I checked in, they didn't prepare anything in the minibar due to COVID. If you want to order something, you can always scan this barcode, then you can put your order through this barcode. On the left side, we got this full-length built-in mirror. We got this large wardrobe. In the wardrobe, there's an empty space for storage. Then 2 bathrobes, 1 iron board and 1 iron, a little seat, 2 pairs of slippers. The wardrobe is quite new. On the left side, we got this bathroom. I can close this door, then open this door. Just a little bit privacy. That's a little toilet over there. A towel, large big circle LED mirror. For amenities, we have this shampoo, body lotion, conditioner, and shower gel. And this is the soap bar. And also you can notice the shampoo is from different brand. It's from Chill Eco. However, those 4 are from the same brand. It's from Novotel brand. On the right side, we got toothbrush glasses and 1 box of tissue. And this one is the makeup mirror. Little drawer here, but it's empty. On the right side, we still got another drawer, and there's a hair dryer inside this drawer. We have all those hand towel, body towel, and face towels down the basin, and extra roll of toilet paper, extra box of tissue. In the shower room, they didn't prepare any amenities here, so you have to bring all those stuffs inside the shower room. It has a shower head here and one over the top. It's pretty much about the toilet. This is the king size bed. Got 2 pillows and 1 roll pillow for each person. On the right side of the bed, we got this side table, and there's a Bluetooth speaker right here. So over this Bluetooth speaker, you can set your alarm or you can make phone calls over there, and it has radio section as well. Also, there's a USB charge, so you can charge your phone or whatever devices using USB here. And there's a remote control here. We still got 2 sockets here and 1 USB charge socket right here as well. We have access to ABC News. Yeah, you can have fun, play around this one. And we've got this writing desk on the left side of this room. And there are 2 drawers. You can put your paper and kind of stuff in those drawers. 2 charging sockets, 1 USB socket. This is for the internet cable, HDMI and USB socket as well. Coffee table, another comfy sofa right here, phone here, and another charging panel here. We're going to Pump House for the dinner. Morning. Good morning, guys. This is our room view. That part is the Chinese garden. Our room number is 513. On that side, this is the theater. The next to the theater is ICC Sydney. So that side is Darling Harbour. Opposite to my room, this is W Hotel. W Hotel is going to open in May 2023. If we have any chance, we will have a hotel review on this hotel as well. That is Westfield Sydney Tower. Then on the right side, so if you walk about 3 minutes, that is Chinatown. So the location is super convenient. Going to check out the gym pool. This is the gym and pool. So outside the gym, there's a shower room. This is restaurant. This gym is quite small. Only have 3 treadmills and 1 is out of order. It's a quite small gym. Next to the gym, it has a swimming pool. It smells like swimming pool. Let's have a look. They provide clean towels. Since there are so many nice cafes around this area, so we've decided not to have our breakfast within this hotel. Hi guys, we're going to check out very soon. Before we check out, I want to summarize some positive and negative side for staying with Novotel Sydney Darling Square. I'm gonna start with the positive side. The first one is like it has the best location. It's really close to Chinatown, to ICC Center, Darling Harbour, Darling Square, and you can easily walk to High Town as well. The location is really good. It's very close to Town Hall Station, Central Station. You can even take the right light road to Paddy's Market or Chinatown Station, then walk to this hotel. The second one I really want to recommend is the Pump House bar. It has been opened since 1980s and it has more than 100 types of beers and it is loved by the local people. If you are going to stay with Novotel Darling Square, please don't forget to visit the Pump House bar. Also, as an Alcohol Silver member, I've received 2 drink vouchers, so the drink voucher can be used in the Pump House. Really, I don't have too much to say because this is a very average level hotel. I couldn't say it's very outstanding or very bad, but with the money we pay, we are satisfied. This hotel doesn't have an on-site parking area, so if you drive to this hotel, you probably need to Google then to say where you're gonna park your car. So we park our cars near Chinatown, so there are a lot of like street parking spots, but it will be very busy on Friday and weekend. Just be prepared. I almost forgot to say I heard so much noises last night when I was sleeping. I could could hear the aircon functioning noise, a baby crying outside. I could hear people closing their doors, and I woke up several times last night. That's pretty much everything about the hotel. Last but not the least, please don't forget to subscribe my channel if you haven't already, because I'm going to have more reviews on the hotels in the future.